Good afternoon, everyone. So we're going to discuss about the installation of Windows 11 in Microsoft Virtual Studio. So in here, we just use the default settings and 4 CPUs and 4 GB of RAM. So let's wait for this installation. So just set up this and get the product key. So we don't put the product key because we can't find any product key in here. So check this. And so the Windows 11 is much bigger than the other installation, because this is one of the latest this is one of the latest Windows we got. So right now I'm using is the Windows 11. So as the far of the videos, we just discussed the installation of Windows 10 from Windows 2000 to Windows 10. Now we have the 11. So in here, the 11, it's gonna take a while. Really, just gonna take a while than other Windows, because this is much latest. So let's wait for this to So let's we set up this in the United States, just default settings. So as you can see, I can't connect to the network, so I just gonna fix that. So unfortunately, I just used the bridge adapter. So using the bridge adapter, I can use it to connect to this virtual box, because the Windows 11 requires an internet connection to set up. Unlike the Windows 10, Windows 7, it does not require the internet connections. Meanwhile, the Windows 11 required, because we all know that in this generation we have the internet. We can't survive without the internet connections. All of the information and files are uploaded in the cloud. So that's why Windows 11 need some internet connection. So in here, as you can see, this is the update is underway. So you're there 30%. So let's wait for this. So it's restarting. So let's wait. It's just gonna take a while to load, because Windows 11 is not that just compatible with the other device. It requires a heavy, high-end, much bigger RAM, much bigger storage. It's not that easy to install. So as you can see, it takes so long than the other videos. So here we guys gonna set up our name, Allan Monforte, and just wait. And we just add our Microsoft account. So let's create a pin. Now let's wait that. So choose the private settings. Next. So we're just gonna and so we're getting things ready for you. So in here, malapit po siya matapos. Parang pina-finals na ng Windows yung installation. So let's skip that, because it is not necessary. Skip recent browsing data, Microsoft 360, 65, and so on. So finishing up. So we're finishing up the booting system. So yeah, that's it. So we already installed the Windows 11. So thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something from me, and see you next time.